Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to give you a quick overview of what a financial plan is and why it's important. A financial plan is a roadmap for your financial future. It helps you to identify your financial goals and develop a plan to achieve them. Your financial plan should include the following: your current financial situation, including your income, expenses, assets, and debts. Your financial goals, such as buying a house, saving for retirement, or starting a business. A plan to achieve your financial goals, including budgeting, saving, and investing. A financial plan is important because it can help you to make better financial decisions, reach your financial goals, reduce stress about money, be prepared for unexpected financial events. If you don't have a financial plan, I encourage you to create one today. It's one of the best things you can do for your financial future. Here are some tips for creating a financial plan. Start by gathering your financial information, such as your income, expenses, assets, and debts. Once you have your financial information, set some financial goals. What do you want to achieve with your money? Develop a plan to achieve your financial goals. This may involve budgeting, saving, and investing. Review your financial plan regularly and make changes as needed. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions about financial planning, leave them in the comments below.